Print is predictable and impersonal, conveying information in a mechanical transaction with the reader's eye. Handwriting, by contrast, resists the eye, reveals its meaning slowly, and is as intimate as skin. This quote by Ruth Ozeki is evidence as to why handwriting is so revealing to many aspects of people's true thoughts and feelings. Handwriting analysis, or graphology, is a psychological technique which is used to understand and predict characteristic traits of people solely through their handwriting samples. Today we're going to talk about how handwriting analysis can be applied in everyday situations. Handwriting analysis can be used for determining personality traits, sorting through applicants, and identifying lies. Graphology is used to detect personality traits through a single handwriting sample. It can be done manually, or it can be analyzed through a computer-aided method. Nonverbal tests like handwriting analysis are very useful because it does not allow the participant to answer the test in a way that suits them better for the test. So they're not able to change their answers to better fit the test. Handwriting analysis has a precision rate of 80%, and it's best performed by a trained graphologist. Graphology can be used to find people's strengths and weaknesses, predict some of their behaviors, and can even tell if they're mentally stable. Seeing as handwriting analysis is excellent for determining a person's weaknesses or characteristics, it makes the technique more helpful in a workplace. Workplaces are able to figure out if that particular person's personality is a good fit for their business. So if they would be a good fit for the role that they're applying for. Handwriting analysis does not allow people to fake traits. So on a resume, how they could lie, they can't do that whenever their handwriting is being analyzed. Handwriting analysis does require standardized procedures in order to be the most accurate it could be, because variations in the length of the sample or in the content that they're writing about, or even the writing utensil that they use, could cause the results to not be as accurate. Normally, a handwriting analysis sample is done in the format of an autobiography. So they would have the applicants or other people, they use it a lot, they would have them come in and they would write a few sentences about themselves, and sometimes they would even have them weave in a lie into it, just depending on what they're doing. The way that someone dots their I's or even crosses their T's reveals a surprising amount of information about a person. Just as handwriting analysis can tell you much about someone's personality traits, or if they'd be a good fit in a company, it can also tell you if someone's being truthful in their written statement. Generally, it is a lot easier to tell the truth than it is to tell a lie. Whenever you tell a lie, it causes a lot more stress on yourself, and that is reflected in either your physical actions or even in your handwriting. In your handwriting, to tell if you're being truthful or if you're telling a lie, the graphologists look for dramatic changes in how you're writing. So it is not as much what you're saying, it's how you're saying it. Dramatic changes such as a change in the amount of pressure that you're applying on your utensil, or even where your margin is lining up with. If that has dramatically changed, then odds are you're telling a lie. New mediums of communication, such as email or text messages, are really affecting how well graphologists are able to identify a lie in written statements. So, with these new methods of communication, people are not writing as much as often. So with the less handwriting practice, the more vulnerable people are becoming to revealing their true thoughts and actions or feelings through their writing. We've discussed just a few uses for handwriting analysis. Handwriting analysis is useful for determining personality traits, sorting through applicants, and identifying lies. Handwriting analysis can be used for all of this and so much more, even solving criminal cases. As Ruth Ozeki said, print is predictable and impersonal, conveying information in a mechanical transaction with the reader's eye. Handwriting, by contrast, resists the eye, reveals its meaning slowly, and is as intimate as skin. Graphology is not fully accepted as a scientific method yet. However, there is a lot of research being done that is further proving how helpful it can be in identifying people's personality traits. These are my 3 audience members.